welcome back. For this video, I'm going to be making the clock. As you've seen, I put these two clocks that I designed on my community page. I did a poll which one people liked better. The family clock actually won, so that's going to be the clock I make for this video. So I printed the design out that I had made. I warmed up the heat press, got everything all ready, and then I just proceeded to press the design onto the clock and then assemble the clock. You guys let me know in the comments what you guys think of the end result. Let me know how you think it turned out. Also, I'm going to be going over next week all different kinds of sticker vinyl to make stickers with. That's going to be a project for one of next week's videos. This week I have magnets and dog tag comparison. Comparing two different brands of dog tags for this week's videos, and I'm working on the how-to series for members. So I've got lots of projects in the works. Lots being made, lots of new content coming. I'm trying to always come up with new content for you guys. I'm trying to come out with content that will help crafters know how to teach crafters how to make things with their Cricut and how to sublimate. So for the how-to series, that's for members only. So if you're interested, you can sign up for the membership and be notified when those videos come out. I'm also going to be doing a video going over the Cricut Design Space, all of the features of it, new things that are brought into the Cricut Design Space, how to do certain things in the Cricut Design Space. So I'm going to be doing a how to use the Cricut Design Space video. That'll be coming soon, within the next couple of weeks. Lots of great content coming, guys. I'm trying to work hard to make sure that you guys have lots of content to watch. If you have a crafting related question, let me know in the comments and I'll try to answer them as best I can, or maybe I will make a future video covering that topic. I really had a lot of fun making these clocks and designing them. I do really like the Star Wars design, so I think I'm going to make the Star Wars clock as well. It'd be a neat thing to have in my office, but I do really like the way that this clock turned out. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the results for this clock, and I'm going to play some music for the remainder of this video. I want to thank everybody for supporting the channel. You guys are all awesome, for subscribing, for liking the content, for sharing it out. I appreciate each and every one of you. So here are the final results for the clock. It came out amazing. The colors are so nice and bright. All of the numbers stand out just like I want it. Now all I got left to do is assemble the parts and make sure it works, and then hang it up on my wall. Here, I got it working. It works amazing. It looks amazing. I am so happy with the results of this clock. I want to thank you guys for supporting the channel. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys in the next video.